Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you guys haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today's video is a collab with MAKARTT, and they sent me this Polygel rainbow nail kit, and I'm so excited to try it out. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing in the kit is some instructions, and it shows you 2 ways on how to use the Polygel. You can either use the dual forms or the nail forms. This kit comes with 7 different colored Polygels, and like I said before, this is a rainbow kit, so of course it has all of the colors of the rainbow. In the kit, it also comes with some dual forms, and what I really like about the dual forms is how it comes in its own little case, so it's always organized. It has a file as well. Now getting into the colors of the Polygel, this is how the color red looks. Here's the orange. Here's the yellow, and as you can see, I have the yellow on my thumb right there, and the yellow is more of a neon yellow instead of like a basic yellow. Here's the green. This is one of the blues. This is actually a lighter blue, and as you can tell, I have it on my thumb right there as well. Here is indigo, and it's just a darker blue. And this is violet. The kit also comes with a top gel and a base gel. They also included a 2-sided brush in the kit as well, and what I really like about this is that one side of the brush has some rhinestones and a pretty decoration, and since it is a 2-sided brush, one of the sides has a picker and the other side has a brush. So here are the 5 colors I'm going to be using today. I'm using blue, indigo, orange, yellow, and purple. And I'm going to be using the dual forms and not the gold nail forms. So before anything, off camera, I went and sized my nails to see which dual forms fit my nails best, and I just went and laid them out. And after that, I prepped my nails and added the base gel and cured it for 1 minute. Taking my brush, I used the picker side and I used it to scoop up the Polygel, and then I placed it on the nail form. And I'm going to be using the other side of the brush to smooth it out. To make it easier to spread the Polygel and keep it from sticking to the brush, I used some 91% alcohol to make it spread easier and smoother. When you first get the Polygel and put it on the dual form, you want to make sure that you're not taking too much, because if you have too much, then when you place it on your nail, then it will spill on the sides and will become messy. After I have the Polygel spread out to the correct length that I want, and it's not too thin or too thick, I place it on my nail and get it ready to be cured. When you place it on your nail, you don't want to just place it and cure it right away. You want to make sure that the nail isn't crooked and that it isn't spilling out of the sides, and if it is, you want to go in and clean it up with some more alcohol. After that, I'm going to be placing my nail under my lamp and curing it for 1 minute. After your nail is cured, you want to just rock the sides of the dual form until it pops off. And then this is how it looks after. You can see that it already has a shine. I didn't even add any top, and I have to file it, but you can see it's not much to be filed. And this is all the steps that I'm going to be doing for all of my fingers. So as you can see, I'm taking more of the Polygel on my picker as well, putting it on the dual form, smoothing it out, and placing it on my nail to be cured. much, so you can see that some of the polygel was spilling out of the sides. So I just took the brush with some alcohol on it and I cleaned up the sides before I cured it, because after I cure it and it's messy, it is going to be really hard to clean it up. So it's better to do it before you cure it while it's still wet.
Hey, 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 hey
Now that I'm done laying down all of the polygel, I'm going to take the nail file that came in the kit and I'm going to be filing the nails and getting it to the shape that I wanted. And we're going to be taking this nail brush, and it doesn't come in the kit, but I'm going to be using it to remove the excess dust from filing. After I'm done filing with the nail file, I'm going to take my nail drill and just smooth it out even more, because when I laid the polygel, it was kind of uneven, so using the nail drill just evens it out more. Once I'm done filing and I have all of the nails the way I like it, I'm going to just take the top coat and apply 2 layers. guys, do you see how good this top gel is? It was so satisfying to just watch me apply it with how the nail was just so rough after I finished filing, and then just apply the top coat, and it just went so smooth and shiny. I just loved it. And once again, I just went and cured it for 1 minute, and I did it 2 times. To be honest, I didn't even have to do it 2 times. You could actually just do it 1 time and it'll be perfect like that. But me, I was being extra and just wanted to do it 2 times. This kit is available on Amazon Prime, and I will have all the links in the description box below. And here is the final product. I love the colors of this polygel kit. At first, to be honest, I was lost on how I was going to do these colors, and I was thinking about doing ombre and mixing them, but I was like, you know what, I'm just going to do a solid color on each nail, and I love the outcome. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all of my social media platforms below. And don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you can be notified when I upload more nail videos and more videos in general. Bye.